the most dangerous night of my life. And yours.
You think you're getting out of here? You're in for it! Yeah!
Out of the way!
Say cheese! See you later!
Congratulations!
Listen up. Doctor Doom and Green Goblin are reportedly within Marvel Superhero Island. Civilians should exercise extreme caution. SHIELD is requesting any and all available superheroes. Report back the presence of any supervillain activity.
Jameson, roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here.
Hobgoblin loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful.
Nice shades. That's Spider-Man!
Doctor Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Even Spider-Man won't be able to stop it.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
to a stop. Carefully raise your left arm and exit the vehicle. Be sure you take all your personal...
Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. You know what trouble means. Headline! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Hey, Shay.
Was that Spider-Man? That's no good. And Ridley Park.
Doctor Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that?
Out of the way, they're mine!
So much for being careful. Just get back to the vehicle and...
Yeah!
to stop, carefully raise the lap bar and exit the vehicle. Make sure you take all your personal belongings.
Man, you shouldn't be out here.
With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful.
Nice shades.
That Spider-Man? That no good red leotard?
Doctor Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Out of the way, they're mine!
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Don't leave now! Things are just starting to...
Trick or treat, smell my meat. Time to throw you off the street.
Look out!
Spider-Man!
No, you don't!
My beautiful stuff!
Wow, that was close! Whoa!
Doc, you're in worse than your haircut.
Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend. Have a nice trip!
Hang on, I'm webbing you down from here.
You punks have short-circuited our plans long enough!
You're taking a dive.
Guess again, Super Goon!
Happy landings!
No!
Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're here.